It's Kristen. Today I have a Fashom unboxing for you guys. If you guys are not familiar with Fashom, use my link down below and you'll get $10 towards your first box. And with Fashom, it's a little bit different. If you keep all 5 items, you get 30% off, which is amazing. And if you keep 3 or 4 items, you get 25% off your total. So that is awesome. And I am super excited to share this with you guys. If you like these kind of videos, please give this a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Kristen. I do different unboxings. And so stay tuned to get into the Fashom unbox. Okay, so in the box, you get your invoice. You get a little bit about Fashom, and it tells you if you buy 3 to 4 items, you get 25% off. If you buy all 5, you get 30% off. And they also donate $1 to Second Chance Rescue New York City Dogs. So that's amazing. I absolutely love this box just because of that. That's great that they do donate. A lot of boxes don't do that. So that's super awesome, Fashom. Thanks for doing that. And then you get a return bag. It has a label on it and you send this over USPS and then you get your 5 items. So here it is. Okay, so let's get into the items and I will go over prices at the end. But I have the invoice out to let you guys know what these items are if it's not on the tag. Okay, so the first top is a ghillie top. This is really pretty. It's like a shorter top and the sleeves are a little bit bigger and then at the edge they kind of gather like that. So that's awesome. It's kind of a little see-through, but I do like this a lot. The color is really beautiful. It's kind of like got a sheen to it. It'd be perfect for the holidays. This is dusty pink, the color, but this is the ghillie nude boat neck long sleeve crop top for the price will go over at the end, but that is really adorable. I do like this a lot. Very nice. Okay, the next item we have here is, it looks like a cardigan or a duster. It is in gray and I think this is very nice. I love the color. This is super soft. It looks like it has some slits up the side, so I don't know how I feel about that, but I will see if I do like this. Let me see what this is. This is, oh, the other top was a size small as well. This is the Natural Life lightweight cardigan in a size small. So that's very nice. Do you like that? Next item we have here, oh, this is adorable. So this is just a gray sweater, but at the bottom, can you see it? It has this. Oh, I love this. I love it. It's very nice. And then we have on the elbow patches, it's like a navy, black, and red. Oh, that's cute. That is nice. So we'll see if that fits. Look at that. Okay, so this is also small. So I'm not sure if Fashom covers and carries extra small. So this is the 22nd Gale plaid top. Very nice. Do like that a lot. So we'll see. Next, it looks like we have a dolman top and it's like a blue color. Very nice. And 3/4 length sleeves, as you could see here. And I do like that. It's kind of a bigger neck. It's a little V-neck. So this is actually, let's see, I think this is a size small as well. Natural Life again. Modal span V-neck long sleeve dolman top. Very nice. I do like this color. Very nice for fall. So we will see what that looks like. And then last but not least is looks like a pair of jeans. Oh, these are nice. Just black denim. And it looks like they don't have any distressing here or at the top, but at the bottom at the ankle, I do like that. Oh, that's really nice. So these definitely are something that I can wear for work because it only has the distressing at the bottom. There is nothing at the back. So these are also stretchy. These are just black denim. They're size 25 and they feel super soft. So let's see what these are. These are the Just Black USA jeans, skinny denim with hem bite, it says. So that's awesome. So these are the items I'm going to try everything on and then we'll come back. Okay, the first item we have is this top. It is really pretty. You can tell that it's see-through because you can see the tank top that I have underneath. But this is really nice. It's super comfortable. I like the distressing on it, and it fits a little bit short. It is a little bit big in the back. It's my only concern, but the color is beautiful, and the feeling of this is amazing. So I do like this a lot. The only thing I don't like is the little bit of bagginess that is here. But you can also, like, if you want to tie it right here, you definitely could. But yeah, I mean, this is really pretty. And depending on the price, I probably will purchase this because this is very pretty for the holidays, and I do like this a lot. Okay, next we have is the denim. These fit amazing. You can see the distressing just right here, which is awesome. They are higher rise, and I do like higher rise as I get older, which is really odd because I always wore my jeans down to here. But yeah, these fit amazing, and they fit like a glove. So I'm like loving these. Pockets, I love that there's only a tiny bit of distressing. So yeah, this is also another maybe. This is amazing. These are awesome, very cozy, and they're super stretchy as well. Let me know what you guys think about these jeans. Okay, next we have is the cardigan. I do like this a lot. Let me bring you guys up a little bit. It is nice. The only thing I don't like is the cuts on the side. I'm not a huge fan of that. But yeah, this is very like soft and cozy. It fits really nice and looks very nice with the jeans they had sent over. It is a flat front cardigan, which I absolutely love. Here is the color, which I do love, this gray color, and it goes well with this tank that I have underneath. And it's like a high-low as well. So it's if you could tell, it's a little bit higher in the front and a lower in the back to cover the butt. But yeah, this is really nice if you're looking for a nice cardigan. I'm kind of on the fence about this because I don't really care for cuts up the side. But other people like it, and this is very nice if you're looking for a cardigan like this. Okay, next we have is the gray top with the plaid bottom, which it's kind of sewed in there. And this is really adorable. I do like this a lot. I don't know if I would wear it with this white top underneath, so let's pull this up, see what it looks like. So yeah, I mean, look how cute this is. I love this bottom area, and yeah, this is so cute with the elbow pads, and I do absolutely love this, and it's so soft. So I am absolutely loving this. This top is so cute. So yeah, let me know what your thoughts are on this as well. Okay, last but not least is this top. I wasn't sure about it, but I think it's so pretty. The color is amazing, and it's super soft. I do like this a lot. I'm not sure. Let me know your guys' opinion. It is a little V-neck, and it is a little shiny, but I think it's super pretty, and I'm loving this. So let me know what you think of this color, the fit, everything. But yeah, I do like this a lot. So I am leaning on getting this as well. So this box is amazing. Okay guys, so I am back with my final thoughts, and we'll go over prices. So these jeans from Just Black, I am definitely going to be keeping them. They're $53. They are amazing. They fit wonderfully, and they're going in my closet. Next we have is this dolman top, and this is $39. This is in the maybe pile, but I do actually like this, and I definitely could wear it for the holidays because it's like a green color as well. So I'm leaning on keeping that. Next top is this plaid top, and this is as well as $39. I really love this, and I'm leaning on keeping this as well. So I thought that was super cute. I'm on the fence about the cardigan. It's the only thing that I really didn't care for. It's $38 because I don't like this up the sides, but I also could sew this. So we shall see. I will let you guys know on that one. And this top was really adorable. I'm on the fence about it because it was a little bit wide, but it is super pretty, and this is $39 as well. So the total for my box was $208, which was amazing. If I buy all 5 discount, it's 30% off. It's $62.40. Total box $145.60. So that's amazing. Go over, click my link. You'll get $10 towards your first box, and you'll love it. I mean, this is a great alternative Stitch Fix, and it's cheaper. I think it's amazing, and I definitely am looking forward to receiving my next box. Thank you, Fashom. Thank you, Morgan. She is my stylist. And thank you guys for watching. Bye.